Hey guys, I'm back again, and today I have another one from Zury Sis, the Beyond collection, and this one is the CRIMP 16, which is very pretty. And today she's in the FF blonde, and also it has, let's see, 5-inch hand tie part. Of course, it's the lace front and high heat up to 400 and HD lace transparency. So yeah, this is Beyond CRIMP. And very nice packaging. I did another review. I did Ben from this collection, and it was very nice, beautifully colored. I had the Pride color on that one. It was so pretty because it had a jet black and it like faded like right there in the middle. So yeah, that was a cute one. So let's see, and let's do this inside construction really quick. Okay, so I do see the cones, and they're right around where the temple is, if you can see that. And you have that curved parting, so she's definitely a side part. And we have the HD lace, so let me try that against my hand. It does seem to blend. Let's see. Yeah, it does tend to blend. All right, girl. She's a cute blonde. Let's bring this down a little. That lace is rather light. Now I can see it a little bit better. But I guess it's all really HD lace. When they say melted, that's pretty much you going down, you know, the wig. And I really don't glue on wigs. I always like do the glueless method. So yeah, unless I like put a little like right there on the side or whatever. But yeah, here she is. This is the right side part, so the part is right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. And there's the side. This is with it not altered or anything. So what I'm gonna do is cut off.
Keep killing me slowly. You don't really care to want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Yeah, this is a cutie. I love the color, especially with this highlight in the front. It's very tastefully done. Yeah, get my lashes. Yeah, it's cute, man. I love this one. This is nice. All right, guys. Well, I'll give you that, and here it is in the back. Another 360, and I do love it. I think it is easy to style. This is a really good collection so far. I reviewed 2 wigs, so yeah, this and that Ben wig is very easy to style. You know, Zury Sis did their thing on this. So yeah, I didn't really worried about this side too much, and I don't really see any more baby hair, so I could be mistaken for this side. I'm like, I'm not worried about it because my bang is coming down and covering anyway. So yeah, don't get yourself that extra headache if you don't have to. This is very pretty. Ooh, child, I'm like to wear this in some other colors. Like, I love the CRIMP style. It reminds me of the 90s, yeah.